Hey you guys, I wanted to talk to you about what you're going to be doing today. I wanted to do something a little bit different with you guys on this video. As you can see, there is a Bitmoji of me sitting on a mushroom with a whiteboard, and it talks about what you are expected to do. Make sure that when you log on that you go to the attendance for today, which is 422, and you say that you're here. Make sure that if you have any questions or comments, you put them under the questions topic for today's date, which is 422. You're going to continue to go to Miss Everett's e-class for your specials work. For math, today is your first part of your assessment. So you are going to work your way through the first 5 problems. It is a Google form, so there is nothing to be turned in. It is multiple choice. There is also a video that you can watch that reads the part or the questions to you. All you have to do is answer the questions on the Google form, click the link, and then when you're done, it'll say submit. And that's all you will do for the first part of your assessment in math today. For science, you will watch the mini lesson video that is attached. You do have a Google Doc that you will click on for directions for your phenomenon today. You will use the graphic organizer to help guide your thinking, but where you are earning most of your points is when you reply or make a comment on my Padlet. Please make sure that you put the comments under Phenomenon 422. That is the correct section for today. You have no social studies work. For reading, you have a Google Doc you will click on, and when you click on that, you will see 2 pictures. You will click on the pictures to access the link to the videos that read those 2 books. And then you will be comparing the point of view, and you will turn in that Google Doc. For grammar, you can watch or read the grammar mini lesson, and then you have your mentor sentence, revise, and imitate Google Forms, where you will click on the Google form, answer the required questions, and then submit it to me. Okay? I also want to see how many people are watching these videos. I'm coming across that many of you are asking me questions that can be found in the videos if you were to be watching them first thing. So I want you to listen to me very carefully. What I want you to do is, if you have watched this video all the way to the very end and you understand exactly what you need to do, in the comment section where this video is at, I want you to type just the numbers of your birthday. No dashes or anything like that. So for example, after I've watched this video, my birthday, I would type 9171988. 9 is my month, 17 is my day, 1988 is my year. So all I would type in are the numbers 9171988. No dashes, no words, only numbers. So let me say that one more time. So at the end of this video, you are going to create a comment in the section where this video is at. All you are typing in is your numbers of your birthday, the month, the day, and the year. So if you were born May 17th, 2007, you would put the month of May, which is 5, 1717, and then 2007, 2007. Only numbers. I want to see how many of you are watching the videos completely. And a lot of other things you guys are asking me are, where's the links? Everything that you need to complete for the day is in my Google Classroom under that subject. You just kind of have to navigate your way through. Okay, remember I am taking grades again this week. You can get zeros, you can get NTIs, okay. Your assignments from last week that I took grades on, for you to resubmit them, are due by today at 3:30 p.m. Okay, 3:30. So I hope you guys have an awesome Tuesday. I hope you like my Bitmoji. I might keep on doing this as kind of a creative way. But let me know if you have any questions. Remember what I asked you to do to show me that you're watching this video. See you later.